Good morning, everyone. I'm Akhila. Welcome back to my channel. It's 4 a.m. in the morning, and we wanted to go watch the sunrise at Uppada beach. Google Maps said that from the place we're at, it would take us 1.5 hours to reach our destination. It seems like the sun is already up, but it's a bit cloudy. Wow, look at all the boats here. Now, when this happens when you're already in a rush, వే యార్ ఇంతకంటే ఫాస్ట్ పోదా?
Few moments later.
జల్దీ పోరా నాయనా.
3 days later.
ఇవాళ పోతుందా?
One eternity later.
Finally, the sunrise. How beautiful is God's creation? If you go a little further, you'll get to see this little broken bridge, which I think looks pretty. So we decided to stop by. Started at 4 and we reached here by 6. It took us 2 hours and finally we could see the sunrise. Look at the view. Wow, greens on one side and blues on the other. So I'm walking down a lane to the beach. So Uppada is basically famous for its sarees. But I think most people miss out on the sunrise that happens here in the beach. I think it's beautiful. You should never miss that out. Can you see the Hope Island there? Over there. Ending my day with a cold coffee. There are so many other places to visit in and around Uppada. There is this Kakinada beach park and the glass bridge, an aircraft exhibition, the lighthouse. There is also Shilparabam here in Kakinada. Thank you for watching, you guys. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye bye.